Meditation is a phenomenal empowerment that you can do whatever is needed in the world, whatever, I mean that, and still remain untouched by the process of activities that we need to conduct in the world. Meditation means just this, in a very simple way if we have to put it. If you sit here, your body is here, your mind is there, who you are is little away from these two dimensions of physical body and mental accumulations. These two accumulations of body and mind, if a little space arises between you and this is the end of suffering. And this is meditativeness. This is not about being superhuman. This is about realizing being human is super.
In this video, we will share with you 3 powerful guided meditations that are offered by Sadhguru for free. Also, we will share what are the benefits and how you can access these free guided meditations. Isha Kriya. Isha refers to that which is the source of creation, and Kriya means internal action. The purpose of Isha Kriya is to help an individual get in touch with the source of his existence and create life according to his own wish and vision. Isha Kriya is a simple but a very powerful tool to move from untruth to truth. Through this practice, you learn to use your breath, thought and awareness in a way that your ability to use your mind and body is greatly enhanced. This process, designed by Sadhguru, has the potential to transform the life of anyone willing to invest just 12 minutes a day. Regular practice of Isha Kriya has many benefits, like it helps one to develop mental clarity and focus. It will create mental stability. It will also create peace and well-being within one. Daily practice of Isha Kriya helps in bringing better health and dynamism. Isha Kriya is free, simple and easy to practice from comfort of your home. So from where to do the free guided Isha Kriya meditation? There are 2 options. Either you can do the guided process of Isha Kriya from Sadhguru's official YouTube channel. We have mentioned the link in the description of this video. And another option is you can do Isha Kriya from the official Sadhguru app. You can download this app and do the guided meditation. This free Isha Kriya guided meditation contains an introduction and instructions which guide one through the practice, providing a complete package to experience higher dimensions of life. Chit Shakti meditations. Chit Shakti. Be the maker of your own destiny. Everything that human beings have created on this planet was essentially first created in our minds. So how we organize and focus our minds will decide the direction our life flows. Using the power of the mind to create what one wants in his life is called Chit Shakti. Each one of us has desires, our very own list of dreams and longings. Creation may have its own blueprint for us, but our personal desires cannot be easily wished away. So this rare offering from Sadhguru called Chit Shakti meditations enables each one of us to become our own alchemist that empowers us to transform our desires into reality. Sadhguru offers this with the intention that once these desires are fulfilled, we will turn towards the larger goal of our ultimate well-being. Sadhguru has provided us 4 different Chit Shakti guided meditations which will help you to manifest. These are Chit Shakti for love, Chit Shakti for health, Chit Shakti for peace and Chit Shakti for success in your life. from where to do these guided Chit Shakti meditations. Chit Shakti meditations are available on official Sadhguru app. You can download it for free. These Chit Shakti meditations are of around 17 minutes in duration. Infinity Meditation. Infinity Meditation is a guided meditation that helps you create stability and balance in your life. By this guided meditation, you can direct your energies in a way that you can touch a boundless experience of life. It is a very simple but extremely powerful process that is great for beginners to learn. The symbol or sign of infinity or infinite nature is like this. Why this is significant is because this manifests in our own energy. When we become boundless in our experience, our energy starts moving like this. Once you swing your energies into infinite gear, life will happen in a friction-free mode. You can do this meditation anywhere, at your home, in office or in the park. So from where to do the guided infinity meditation? This meditation is also available on the official Sadhguru app. The duration of this meditation is around 21 minutes long. So please make use of these tools of transformation Sadhguru has provided, which are totally free of cost. Namaskar.